This game is called the word bird game. To play this game, you will need the word bird game board, a die, and counters. Begin the game with your counters at the start position. Your child throws the die and then moves their counter the correct number of spaces. Here, the child has thrown a 4 and has moved their counter onto the letter D. They say the sound of the letter and then any word they can think of that begins with D. Gently guide your child if they can't think of a word. You could say, "Yes, this is D." Let's look around the room and see if we can find something that starts with D. Or you could say, "Do you know anyone whose name starts with D?" Daddy, yes, that's a good word. Well done. Daddy starts with D. Here the child has moved their counter onto P, but says B. Help and encourage them to come to the correct answer by saying, "Yes, B is a sound. Here it is on the board. But let's look at this sound again. It is P. P is for pink and park. Can you think of another word that starts with P? Vowel sounds are often said incorrectly. If the counter lands on a vowel sound and your child says the vowel incorrectly, gently remind them of the correct way. So you can explain that A at the beginning of ant and not ape, or E like at the beginning of egg and not enough, or I like at the beginning of into and not ice, or A at the beginning of ox and not over, or A like at the beginning of under and not usual. Play the game until one of the players has reached the end. Remember to congratulate your child on how well they've done at the end of the game.